Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. In this video, I'm decorating this giant pumpkin that I have purchased from Michael's. Just grab your choice of flowers and greeneries, some ribbons, and a piece of fabric to wrap the pumpkin with, and let's get started. So once I'm happy with the floral arrangement, I'll start making the bow. What I'm doing basically is choosing 3 different ribbons and make one bow with each of them, then place them on top of each other and place them on my arrangement. Here is the pumpkin that I've purchased from Michael. My plan is to wrap it up with the black fabric and use gold color as an accent. So I am taking the stem out and I'm going to color it in gold. I think gold would be an amazing complementary color to black. Here I'm cutting a little bit of larger area so that once I wrap it up with the fabric, I can insert the excess fabric in that hole and then put the stem on top of that. After that, I am just wrapping the fabric as if I'm wrapping a gift. It's a little bit tricky because of its shape, but the best tip I have is do a little bit at a time. Don't try to glue a large area, just little bit at a time, and just keep going until you finish the whole area, and then insert the stem at the very end. I had picked up some stickers from Dollarama. As I mentioned, my accent color is gold here. They didn't have the stickers in gold, they only had it in silver, so I decided to spray paint them in gold and add them to the edge of the ribbons that I previously glued. The only downside that I encountered with these stickers was that they didn't have enough power. The adhesive wasn't strong enough, so I had to add some glue gun to make sure that they're not gonna move and they stick well to the fabric. As you can see, it's the next day and I let it dry for a few hours overnight. I'm adding a generous amount of hot glue here, trying to make sure that it's in the right position, looking good, and voila! I am so happy with how it looks. To me it looks great. I hope you like it as much as I do. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And all I'm doing here is placing the floral arrangement to the pumpkin. You can just leave it the way it is, but I decided to add this to the pumpkin, and yeah, that's how it looks like. I'm adding that Dollarama leaf to the arrangement, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.